Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I am a big fan of any beauty products that add convenience to my life. And something that has definitely added a little bit of that for me lately is this Wander Beauty Double Date in the shade Sweet Talker. These little compacts have two products that really come in handy. One side has a creamy color that I can add to my face or to my lips. The other side has a little mirror and a clear gloss that I can add to my lips by itself or over the color. This shade, Sweet Talker, is absolutely perfect for my skin tone and my particular skin issues. I tend to get a little bit of sensitivity redness in my face, so this peachy corally color counteracts that redness and evens it out. I love to get a little bit of color in my favorite beauty sponge and then just dab it along my upper cheekbones and up into my temples. I can also add this color to my lips, and I have to say that I really like the overall look when I do this. The color has a really luminous quality to it, so I find that when I use it, my skin looks really glowy and almost highlighted. This Wander Beauty Compact is my one-stop shop for my cheeks and my lips, and it is great to throw in my makeup bag for a weekend away. And that's my point of view.